Here at the MC Factory, we produce world-class three-dimensional measuring machines. XYZ's coordinate measuring machine that accurately measures shapes, accurately measures even complex structures. It is also used to measure parts, such as aircraft jet engine blades, automobile engines and bodies, rockets and artificial satellites, and can be said to be the culmination of precision measurement technology. Here we process everything from large structural parts to guides, which are the core of the accuracy, and air bearings, from processing to assembly. The inside of the factory is controlled at 20 degrees Celsius, which is the standard temperature for measuring. Efficient production is possible in a stable production environment. Each part in the assembly process is transported by a transport robot. It is made of cardboard, and each part is neatly divided into sections. SDGs are also taken into account. This is a constant temperature booth that can accommodate a large coordinate measuring machine and perform temperature tests. It is possible to set the temperature inside the room between 5 degrees Celsius and 45 degrees Celsius. Large parts are cut and processed using a CNC multitasking machine. Tool and pallet changes are also performed automatically, which not only enables planned production, but also reduces worker man-hours. We also inspect the parts we use using our own measuring machines. Utsunomiya creates new changes on its own by automating manufacturing with the latest machinery and equipment, and using the outstanding technology of craftsmen, and proposes the next value to customers. Shaping the future of manufacturing through precision measurements, we will create a factory where Utsunomiya's data utilization never stops.